To look at your mobile data network and to set a limit and to set a warning, you're going to want to go into the settings first. Then you're going to go into connections. From connections, you can click data usage. If you click mobile networks, there's a cool couple things that are in here. First, the mobile network is the mobile data is your network. You can turn on international data roaming, but that can cost extra fees. Allowing 2G service is good because if 2G service is enabled, if there is not like a strong signal, it allows for a 2G service signal. And then I also allow mobile network diagnostics, and that's not always important. You have network operators, and I guess if you have multiple network operators, you can switch between them here. Then you have access point names as well, but that's not very important. What is important is going into data usage. So there's a few things to help you save your data. Data saver, it will cut down on data usage by preventing apps from running in the background and using that mobile data. You have mobile data itself, which we were just in. This is another way to get into it. We have international data roaming, which is here as well. So it's another way to just get into this menu. And then we have mobile data usage. Now clicking this will show us all of our data usage. And then we can click billing cycle and data warning. This is where we can set our data warning and our data limit. So this is our billing cycle. We can change when it starts it. The data warning, we can change how many gigabytes or how many megabytes. It'll start warning us when we get close to this. Same thing with the data limits. It'll turn off when our specific limit is reached, and that is in megabytes or gigabytes. I have these both off since I have unlimited data. And that's really it for mobile data and how to save on data, setting a cap for it as well.